Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is February 17th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100, that's QQQ, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and also get some training from us here at Brightside Trading, or contact me and we can help you out where you can see what's happening in this market. All right, as you can see here, I'm just quick little note. NASDAQ bears are getting impatient, and we did get our drop that I was kind of expecting on this week on the NASDAQ. The Russell actually did end up green this week, like I was saying. The Russell was ready to go higher, and it did go higher. Just kind of like, this is what I'm trying to get you guys to see. All right, let's get to the weekly market review. Start off here on this NASDAQ and on this quarterly chart. Let me size this back down. And right here, as we can see, we're still pretty bullish. We did get a little bit of pullback off the high, and I don't think we didn't make a new weekly high this week. But everything still looks good. We're still below this R1, this yearly R1, which I think we still can end up getting to by the end of the year, although we're only 20 points away from that. So we should definitely reach that. If this market is going to continue to be bullish and continue to go up, it shouldn't be no problem reaching that point and all. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, this is where I was saying we're getting, we're at this R1 level. You kind of expect a little volatility in the market. We're also getting a little extended off this 10 moving average, a 9 moving average, which one I happen to have on here. So again, that's kind of like the key for me. One of the keys for me to see this market is time to get a little bit of a pullback. But again, above the 10, still bullish and all, and still expecting this market to go higher long term. All right, let's go down to the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, now this is where you see that red candle where we did get that pullback that we were expecting. Now this is your early warning sign if this market is really getting ready to turn over for a while and all. So the thing is, though, with this weekly candle, this week we did still make a new high. I'm looking at right here and all, so that was kind of surprising. And we did not make a lower low. So we are still kind of bullish. We just got a red candle. Like I say, this red candle on a weekly chart can be an early sign of what's about to come, but we still got a higher high and a higher low. So this market is still bullish. We just had some profit taking at the top. We also had some people maybe, adding to their positions, and that's all that's going on here. Next week will be the real true sign if this market is really getting ready to turn over, that confirmation candle, or if this market is going to continue going higher, just bust up this whole bearish looking pattern that we have up here. This would be like a bearish arami, because this is probably just almost inside of that, or it can be a bearish piercing pattern. It's definitely in the right location near the top. That's where you want it at. But the thing is, this is why you need to almost always wait for that confirmation candle. Make sure your indicators are actually telling you, on that higher time frame that it is time for this market to do what it's going to do. All right, let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and take a quick look at the day picture. And as you can see, here at the top, we did have a bearish pattern on Monday. This is Monday and all, and we did get that food drop that we was kind of expecting on Tuesday. The market after that actually started pulling back. It did not, by the end of the week, break that high and go higher like it's been doing on Fridays. We actually got a sell-off, but the whole thing was, it was expiration Friday, option expiration. So that's what kind of like maybe based on the different option strike, this round strike right here, 430, maybe some of the players wanted to keep it. They wanted to keep it above this area and not below this area, maybe below this area, not below this area. Again, don't know. The thing is, we did get a sell-off. We did not break that weekly. We did not break the first of the week high. The thing is, be careful about things about this market rolling over now. We did have a higher high, but we ended up having a higher low on the weekly picture, and we did get a pretty big sell-off on Friday. But that's kind of null and void because it was our expiration Friday. We need to wait and see what's going to happen on Monday. And based on looking at my pivot based on Monday, got to be careful because look like we might be opening. We could open up below pivot, and if we open up below pivot, we may end up breaking our finally end up breaking our previous week, low, and then this market end up seem like it might want to pull back a little bit. So be careful. That's all I want to say there on the NASDAQ. And I hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll talk to you next week. Have a good one. Bye.